Oh, hello. Welcome to the Brains Report. I'm James Brains, and we're going to review the Jade Yoga Fusion Mat. So, I'm going to stop kind of holding up my weight with one arm and talk to you like a normal human. So I've already reviewed this. Of course, you know that. You've seen all of our reviews. I reviewed this, if you recall, it was in February 2019. Right now, it's 2025, and so I have now used this mat. It's the end of 2025, so I've used this mat for 7 years now. And we've been through a lot together. The pandemic, other things. And I've used this several times a week in those 7 years. Can you see the label on the other side? It's an authentic Jade Yoga. It's not one of those counterfeit ones you get at like Macy's or Williams-Sonoma. This is the real deal. There are two varieties, two lengths. There's a 68 inch and a 74 inch. This one's 74 inches. I got the larger one because I'm about 6 feet tall and I weigh about 2,250 pounds. And since my arms don't reach all the way, actually let's make this so you can see it better in the camera. Stretch. And it's pretty close to right there at 74. And it is 24 inches across. Both the 74 inch and the 68 inches are 24 inches across and 5/16. You're not going to be able to see it. Okay, camera person, we can try. 5/16 of an inch thick. That's thicker than most. It's made of rubber, made in the United States, and I love it. It's awesome. I do most of my yoga from home. This is kind of a good mat for at home. I'm gonna roll it up a second, and I'm gonna just show you how tight of a roll you can get. I have a feeling it won't fit into most yoga bags because it's so thick. Maybe the 68 incher would fit. I don't know. I don't have that one. So you can see a little bit of wear on the bottom part here. It has not affected its performance at all, though. I also have done a crappy job of cleaning it. Jade Yoga recommends blowing $9 on one of their mat cleaners, but I'm incredibly cheap, so I don't. I made like a homemade concoction of Febreze that I spray it with once in a while. And it's helped mitigate some of the odor that it was born with. It still smells a bit. Not too bad. Here, have a smell. Yeah. So I'm going to show you how much this big boy weighs. And maybe this will work. So it's a little over 8 pounds. That's more than twice as much as most yoga mats. So it's not the most portable. It's mostly, I'd say it's a better option for at home. And I've actually never gone to a yoga studio. I only ever do it at home with Adriene. My wife's a little bit jealous of her because I do spend a lot of my time and my energy, my body's energy on her, with her, while watching her. This is getting really creepy. Let's start over. Okay, so yeah, in the 7 years, I have found that the grip has remained very good. I can do the classic downward facing dog. Please don't judge my form. Since I have never done it with an instructor present, no one's been able to correct me. But yeah, you can get good grip. You can see it's not moving around much. However, let's say you want to quickly get to the front of the mat, like jump forward. I've noticed it does slide. This is hardwood. On carpeting it does not slide, but I'll just show you. Yeah, it slid a little bit. I don't do that move much because I'm old and have sore joints. This is amazing for people with sore joints though. I played roller derby for about 7 or 8 years, and it's awesome. Like, I don't need any extra padding when I'm doing anything. Like if I'm doing my cat and cow, my knees are fine like this. I could stay here all day. Can't say the same for other mats I've used, but I haven't used many because I've had this for the last 7 years, and this has held up amazingly. Think of other things I want to tell you about. Yeah, love the comfy padding. It still smells bad and it's heavy. I think that's just about all I wanted to say. It is pricey though. The 74 incher here, it is, the average over the last 6 months on Amazon has been $150. And the 68 incher is about $125. That's quite a bit more than most yoga mats, but what you're getting is durability. So yeah, it's pricey. A couple other cons are the smell and the weight. Overall though, I would say this is best for like people who are serious about doing yoga regularly. If you're new to it, you may not want to invest in a very good mat until you have a less good mat and have experience with that and know that you want to stick with yoga. I'd also say it's probably better for home practice. I already mentioned that because it's not the most portable. Great for people with joint pain. Probably better for older individuals because as you get older, you have less natural padding. And so this provides the padding you need. What else? People who love durability would love this. And also I'd say for like sexy big guys, it's a good option. Like if you're used to like tearing things apart with your brute strength by accident, this is a good one. Like, yeah, I have no trouble. Like sometimes Adriene will tell me to split the mat apart, and this never actually splits apart. One thing I want to show you though before we go, I just want to make sure you get a really good view of how it looks after 7 years. It definitely has some wear, but it's not awful. And I tend to use it the same way every time. Like this is face up. That is not recommended. If you really want to take care of your mat, you should flip it, you should rotate it regularly, you shouldn't use it the same way every time. I do yoga first thing in the morning and I don't even think about it. So I kind of just, yeah, whatever gets me on the mat in the morning. And seriously, it feels amazing doing yoga every morning, especially after having done roller derby and destroying my body. And I couldn't recommend yoga with Adriene any more than I do right now, which sounds like I don't recommend her at all. I love Adriene, she is amazing. Very positive way to start your day. I'll leave a link to her channel. She's not paying me to say this, I've never met her. But yeah, great yoga. And you know what? In the comments below, let me know your favorite yoga YouTube channel, because I love like checking out what else is out there too. But love Adriene. And yeah, if I forgot to cover something, please let me know. And I'm more than happy to answer any questions you have. In the meantime, stay flexible.